the latest addition to San Angela or Lawrence. This is the Brookside Milk and Cream plant, and it's an old model power ice house, if I remember correctly. And I went ahead and painted it over the weekend. And I had this is a Blair Line, one of those laser cut signs. It was, let me tell you, fun to put together. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And I figured it was safe to put it against that area there. That way it wouldn't get knocked. But I went ahead and nastied up the building quite a bit. Let me move one of the trucks. Since the Brookside Milk and Cream colors has a lot of the red in it, I went ahead, the windows and the doors are all red, and those numbers were just raised relief on there, and I very carefully with a shaky hand went ahead and painted them, but I think it come out pretty good. And this is one of the milk cars that will show up here. But anyway, this here is going to be the Three Dogs Brewery, and I'll be working on probably on this one, and then the Union Ice over here, behind here. I'll give it the same sort of treatment with the ice blocks, and I'll have to find some people that I can put on there. You may note also I've got the some of the bumpers in place. These are just the three-piece Pico ones, and they just grab onto the tracks. So if I want to, they can just be lifted off for the time being until I decide when and where I'm going to be doing some ballast. But anyway, they're very easy to remove, and I've been putting them around the layout where I can reach. So, but anyway, that's what I've been doing this weekend. So we'll see you next time. Oh, before I forget, I did use some of that crystal clear from Microscale, and it's hard to see, but there's windows and all of these on the front side all the way across now, and that was fun to do, let me tell you, but it did work. And those are about, I think, about the limit of how far that special glue, canopy glue, can cover. So, but anyway, that's kind of the things I've been doing. See you next time.